Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and my library just finally got me the Milk Bar Kids Only Cookbook. Even though I'm not a kid, I'm going to sneak a little peek through it, and you can too. I don't have any kids that would use this because my boys are grown up, and they're my nephews. Milk Bar Kids Only. So far, it's super colorful. It's a new 2020 book. I don't know what Milk Bar is. Was it a restaurant or a bakery, or is a milk bar a thing? I don't know what that is. Okay. Contents: recipes by type, introduction, rules of the kitchen. Kids' cookbooks always have a lot of rules, don't they? Pantry 411, tools of the trade, measuring 101, wets, dries, and doneness. That's important. Help hotline, the recipes and shoutouts. Okay. Recipes by type are going to include bars, cereal treats and no bakes, cupcakes and a cake, cut out sandwich cookies. That sounds fun. Drop cookies, muffins, yum, pancakes and waffles, who knew you'd have so many recipes for it, quick loaves, shortcakes and biscuits, and smoothies, shakes, and a quake. I don't know what a quake is. Okay. Hello and welcome to Milk Bar Kids Only. My name is Christina and I own Milk Bar, a bakery where I serve up my spin on cookies, cakes, pies, and ice cream. Okay, that answers my question. Okay. I don't go through cookbooks before I look through them on camera so that you and I see them for the first time at the same time. So often if I'm like, what is this thing about? It's because I don't know either. Haven't looked through it yet. I don't cheat on you guys. Tools of the trade. Okay, boring, boring, boring. Important. How many kids actually skip ahead, I wonder? Chocolate cutout cookies. Yum. So far I am loving the pictures. French toast muffins, and I love that they have multicultural kids. It's not just a book full of whiteys. Triple layer cheesecake bars. Yum. Cocoa Cabana cereal squares. Building block cookie sandwiches. Cute. Oh, that's fun. Compost pancakes. That sounds gross. Okay, the picture looks good though. Berry Loco cupcakes. Oh, this book is going seasonally. We're in February. Well, that contents didn't say that. That's weird. Okay. I would have liked to know that. Coconut cupcakes, raspberry frosting. Snow ice cream. Oh, I used to make snow cream. Okay. So now that I know that we're going month by month, we have cookie tips, Rocky Road cereal squares. Now we're in March, banana crunch bread. Something with bananas. Really good flapjacks. Okay, March. Citrus surprise cereal squares. Bird bread. My ex-husband used to call that squirrel bread because that had nuts in it. Rise and shine cereal squares. Just eat the cereal, people. Okay. Cheddar chive biscuits. This looks really good. I would totally want to make that. Yum. Monkey in the middle muffins. Is there a picture of those? I guess. That's... Oh, yes, because there's something delicious in the middle. Blueberry lemon pancakes. Yum. Are we in April yet? Oh, we're in May already. Okay. So you can kind of tell by the side of the tabs. Easy as pie bars. So each month it looks like has its own bar, breakfast food, cookies, desserts, other things. Okay. Chocolate coconut cupcakes. Nut and jammy cookie sammies. Getting a little silly. Watermelon lime smoothies. Yum. This would be totally a fun book for kids. And if I had a nephew or niece just the right age, I would get this for them. I think my guys are a little too old for this. Berries and cream muffins. Purple cow floats. Okay, my guys would love to make that. Cinnamon sugar and peach shortcakes. Colorful. Let's check out the directions. Checklist, ingredients, prep, serving, strain the cream, tips, waiting for the equipment. Yeah, looking good. Colorful, colorful, colorful. Lots of chocolate. I'm noticing lots of cereal stuff because they would have access to it. Yeah, okay. Cut out cookies. Suddenly we're not getting so interracial, multicultural. Oh, dinosaurs, nutty sandwiches. I like cutout sandwich cookies. That looks like dog bones. Pizza bread. Pizza bread. Wow. This is pretty cool. Jack-o'-lantern muffins. We must be in October. What are we doing for Christmas? What's happening in December? Chocolate cupcakes, mint chocolate frosting, a cinnamon bun quick bread, and a candy cane sheet cake. That was super fun. Definitely, I would recommend getting this for a niece or nephew, a preteen, somebody that's interested in cooking. That was fun. Very colorful. Recommended. For more cookbook look-throughs, Follow Cookbook Divas on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest.